has them today, and I'll teach you why you should hire a licensed contractor to do your electrical work. Okay, look. So this is a basement rental that's still ongoing, but the customer's panel has been left wide open. Everything's live, and then we got all these wires. Not a single one of them is strapped. Which is then this one is just run into and straight into the panel. Like look how much of a extra length he's left on the neutral. It's sticking out to the point where it's could touch the bus bar or breaker. And then he didn't even bother connecting the ground here. So now what's really scary, as you can see, this wire right here. Hey! You ruined the video.
Okay. Start over.
That was Kyle, by the way.
No, it wasn't. That was all Hasm.
I would never.
I would never.
In my own video.
Yeah, I could see it.
You know what? I came here and I was like, Kyle hasn't farted all day today. I haven't heard him fart. Maybe he needs to see the doctor.
Well, I farted for you, so.
And then you can see this insulation's all scratched on this wire here. So all it takes is for one of these, if you're working in here, one of these grounds touches one of these wires where it's nicked, all of a sudden you have an arc flash, and your heart stops. So yeah, this is a result of sloppy work, and there's nothing you can do about it unless you rip out some of these wires and redo them. But like, man, the breaker sitting in here. This thing's also full of dust from drywall. Like you can see, there's dust all over the bus bars. And then here is our main line coming in, and it's not even strapped. It's just like hanging out here. Up there you've got metal touching the wires. See that piece of metal? You hit it the wrong way, it'll cut right through the insulation in that Romex, and now you've got a fire. You've got live wires here. You've got spaghetti everywhere. So yeah, if you need proper electrical work done, you know who to call now. Any questions? Please post a comment. Thank you. Now I'm gonna get some air. No! Really? I don't even know you have the ability to like...
I thought you said you wanted some air.
Not that kind of air.